In just 7 days, I earned around $21,710 without any investment. Using an awesome tool called ChatGPT. You think I'm joking? Well, let's start off first, heading over to this website right here, which I'll link below the like button. If you don't know yet, ChatGPT is a natural language processing developed by OpenAI, based on GPT 3.5 that allows users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. It can write YouTube descriptions and scripts. It can write content. It can generate art. It can code, and much more. Now what we need to do here is create a free account. To do so, just click on sign up, and then you can either manually enter your email address or choose to continue with Google. After signing up, you'll land on this page. Now for the next step, you need to get a blog topic in your niche. For that, we have to do some keyword research to find low competition keywords in your niche in order to rank on Google. And this is where AexCreation comes in to help. AexCreation is the best free SEO tool to find low competition keywords. So just go and create an account on this website. After creating an account, click on SEO right up here and select Keyword Research Tool. Now just enter your niche keyword. Let's say, for example, affiliate marketing, and then just type "I'm not a robot" and click on search. And after a few seconds, this free tool will provide you with a list of keywords with their search volume, competition, and CPC. Now pick up those keywords which have a high search volume but with low competition. For example, this affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition but has a high monthly search volume. So copy this keyword and create an article around it with the help of ChatGPT for that. Go back to this website and simply type in "provide the blog topic titles about," then paste your niche keyword and press enter. And after a couple of seconds, this tool will generate 10 different topic ideas related to our niche. Now if you want to get more different ideas, you can click on this regenerate response button. Now the second step is how to get your blog outlines for this. Select any one of these and type in "provide the blog outline of this title," then add your chosen title and press enter. After a few minutes, this tool will automatically generate an outline for this particular title. Moving on, the third step is how to get your outline content for this. Simply copy the first part of this blog outline and type in "provide the blog section of this outline," then paste the first part of that outline right here and press enter. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will automatically write the introduction of your article. So just copy all of these and paste it right here in a new Word document file. After that, go back to this website and type the "provide the blog section of this outline," then scroll up. Copy the second part of this blog outline and paste it here before clicking enter. After that, just copy all of these. Go back to that Word document and paste it here. Now repeat the steps for all the remaining outlines to write a full blog article. Now after creating a full blog with ChatGPT, it's time to convert it into a human-generated blog if you want to rank it on Google. For that, copy all of these. Go to Google and search for Reply Checker Article Rewriter. Click on the first website, scroll down, and paste the whole content right here. After that, tick "I'm not a robot" before clicking on Rewrite Article. Now after a few minutes, this tool will automatically rewrite the whole article. So just click on Next. Copy all of these. Go back to that Word document and paste the rewritten article right here. Now after that, check whether this blog is human-generated or not. For this, copy a few lines from this blog and head over to Hugging Face Co. Hugging Face Co. is an AI content detector tool. So just paste the content right here and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, this article is around 94% real, meaning you can rank this article on Google. You can create an account with to get more exposure and earn more money. To do so, click on Create Post, try it up here, and publish the same article. With that, I made thousands of dollars in just 7 days without any investment with the help of ChatGPT. So create more articles around your niche and easily rank them by doing some SEO and earn money through the Medium Partner Program and affiliate marketing. Moving on, the next step is to create a writer account on Medium.com. Medium.com is a social publishing platform that is open to all people and home to a diverse array of stories, ideas, and perspectives. This is a 100% free and worldwide available platform. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific content for your region in my future videos. Now after creating an account with Medium.com, click on the right button right up here. Now for the title, just copy the blog title from that Word document and paste it here. And for the content again, go back to that Word document, copy the entire article and paste it right here. Now add an image to If your article ranks on Google, you will easily earn thousands of dollars. Moreover, So that's it for today. But if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $2 and 5 every 55 seconds using a secret Google app.